Mala ka changdar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka changa jandang rau da baro ka paikel karon kine dang rau da jandang rau da bakel. Agan mak bangut go be nong lar ti landong yen syang ka dung dit media ka ti lat karod dien rei jinu ba Sudan kana win mo nan dien. An wala ka changa jandang rau da baro ka paikel dung dit media be nong lar ti taw abden la tuk lar ku kur ling kono ka no den jongle state. Bala raya nyam baga nung yaga taji baga security wide. Kwadando kon di siemata uror, siemata nyirol, siemata ayut, siemata du kont. Taji baga jene tiang man ya wala kene baga nung yala bar nyam ta tuk lari kadung din media ke kwa chang darma. Bimera udah bala o kume jeng council of elder ala JCE. Sewot ke jube, sewot ke jonglei, tiang nin ka doron mishala baidit. Ron wana na meji ke jien ka bai dit wo ka duk konti taro kare wor ba nung ye ko dung din media ke kwa chang dar me ti to abden melar na ko yene ko to ko la ko ko ne ti la le dung din media me ni chang mi ran jo me tiam pin online linge be like ko be share ko be na ko nung wan ba ku le shop ko ba bar ko nung ne ye ko dung din media ba ku le ja je ga ne ni kon gur leng dien Abde nyam mandana ba nung ye ata ko re chiro tok matiang ko tuk te kon ngeleng ja joy ko social media ne ja joy ko communication kon ne kon dial ko gron ko tiang te ko tot ti jaro de lat che is kimich nang rodien che kor ko che kor medit so me ya tok tiang yene nwan chi ko tanyal je to ko ne je te ne ti chi lodien je jek ke wo wa je kor je penetrate e chonere cha wonen na ka uror country that we don't affect when the kondi ala content so raja mo yoro la tiang lu no ne kono wan ji loiden je that many people talk about it chinaro ke gwa changdar dan ke gwarun wangame ti jogo na ko loy kon na ko koch cha ko raja do bo ra mi ji raja mo ko kon ndi chuwa ko me do content e kor sele surprise o jana nga gwa me jana yon mai gwa me ja gwa ma kap taro ka minor ka normal process of war mutanare kur so pan jalo ne wan ja jaga that we advise our people ko ne ka social media ni ka pende kon dia roi content mi te metot miro de duir mi ne kon de bok ke ken kon ngai lenga gwa lamna ja go ne ko this is part of core we stand in our position ko victory edundan wona jen go wa these are the obstacles of fighting. Mutanare kur. Wo choro kapjok. Chalo no ne chai ju. So taro shima raje tiang katawa nyamdo. So we appreciate our people kamato da chala do. Shima wo ban ju belle ke wo kana melelo, ko kana melelo. So me tok tiang it was a consent. Taban ngai kono ga kor kwa the Burma government. The Sspdf is advancing. Taken in Kenya boro re atoch. Wo ga re lo we talk about it. Cái con India là con lật địa cái thao vừa cái đấy lò có một ta cái process kia thì ta có phục tập ta tăng kiến cái đục phát điện ta tăng kiến ta cái đục đạn mình luôn the defensive position là qua nan ta vi điện cái lưu tin ador mà lại cho lê panyagur ni jok ni cái tweet is so mình luôn cái ngara ni kia cái mọi chuyện nan chắc có là đâu they are marching toward war that our people bo ngay cái này na kawo qua bo tin ta cái tin so rai mi je na mo ko ni dial de man pan je joy ko wona ne je te group la portion of Sspdf mi chi penetrate mi chi now you and my dor mi chwa tiam around pajut so no jen the concept and rai kon jo de wale me luek na ro tin men dan plus wo tha cha le je tiang mi je wo tuo kon dor mo je te di man ron wane ne these are the messages tin kon go ro bana galinga go ko ne me cha tuo go chetedi this morning me jara tiang me yugo chubu ni ken Sspdf element chigoro mo reconnaissance gane reconnaissance SPLM ayu me chigoro mo ka that area of tiam area of work dor yo ala work kan go the dial taka around pajut and as we talk about it go the dial tell right condition e wo dor yo ala pajut der we de ala reg de is a matter of one and mi cha ban pin ne kon chi ko kwam ti tie ga pajut and there are a reason ti pal ga pajut ke je go pajut one again the main road ko bu ko je ga nyale people ta wa no ken te bang so me shi ga bentino cha ga mere chi tang ken chi won yang ga tiam mo den tiang ga wo ya ga ju cha ga ju ga ju mi cha pa ju den da ne cha ban pin da ga bap tin and the core today morning ngode ken kon akbar ga go ling o ken kon official information ni jak ka official spokesperson of the movement beke ankor be tu woduk milonu ka gwa tanga mo yo to kon bo tok tin bi la o ankor ke lew charo loj beke wa da na go kon der ben tin won that is a core elip kon ko mu urum ba wa determinant ajari bi nyot ko ne the way forward dingu badang ni aspela mayu ke badang ni Sspdf and now at the beginning so che Sspdf che jojo now core that we waiting for all the information ko core me wega mo chubeni ko mu chalelo so taro mu no yene di ale tang de di er ke me choro lat bran yi go nyoko palpin bi ngai ko ne me ro lat tiang it was a very minor issue that our people are prepared for it ne de ko nan ne ken dong dier ne de ko le te go ale no mo tin ngai ga je wona ne people are prepared for it they mean it ko ke chuba wana mo che ga ta na ne cha lo ro ke bi ko lu njo ga je mon tam so mo no ko kon diar yi ko na ka opi kur akenin ke te ko ne lat ko ne je ko brum ke and now is coming toward bor so right mo right na ne chiro lat ka woror ka ta chi tuok tiang ka wor Manodian update about Ayut information okay, they are conflicting. And the main thing is one an hotel telephone network. China communicate anyhow that any person don't let information me jaga ka brother, ka sister, ka father there don't let no take a good picture about ngutuogo ka Ayut. Plus the fact that can official communication ko movement can barar ko ayut man talk tin idin all in all channeling and go te ko ko mi ni ga ayut ta ko ra ku da pan ko wo talk no dor mi wala wow ko wo ji wo ko kumarar ta ga nyogo ju jok ta ga jo ka ayut so ra mi ra mo ja ra ndan te tin ni close that we don't know ko ayut currently the real situation ray barak adinu this morning hour. That morning we get information about Ayut in detail. Baga benga ye, baga nyaw manong na ye. Mano about Du County. Du County a war zone currently. A war zone ko activities of the Sspdf Latka one within the communities. So at any age you want to desert it, still there are a pocket of community to tell one red walk, could do dang. Ko duk padiet ko puktak so ne yene to situation na ta gatin aspela mai wo ko warning ni ni de chiwa ko an chap ke bitiek ko gwa mitiek ka gade dung de ni ko te a consequence an kormi ni nya wana mo chuda mai gwa yartino charan che ngi jo wona me de ni me chap so bi arabu nan chalat ke ro mi shero ajmo very clear and cha repeat it la je ke ko yen ne de ko na duk ne ka duk naka poktap wan naka war nyot wan naka panya wor aban naka bay dini aban na bor nan ro ga jish tara mi nyot nyin kula kina ro ga ko na de niti so rai mo je rai de tin ko tame is up to them kana de ko ta ko ere antro ko they will decide mi bran be yen ki bran be le ko is very clear chalar ge o korbek so je situation da de ere abduk and woror kan ayot ti the picture ngo abana je yo ko tiang ko te ro de ga goron wanga te area of duk kan woror chiga pengni and as we all know in the beginnings of core elite corner bo woni jen ga ben bana re lo ko bana monitor and we organize ourselves ko ne ban repeat ke exact information ko kor ko bane dier ko ne me chatwo ko namo me chane ti yudu namo bane pal as we know that a kor we ne nyam so toro agent the general update about situation ka northern jongle state ke gwaron wang mo ko ben ko update de ya ta jaglat ko today cha joy ko the young council of elder and the elders of Jang, Nika military, Nika Siase, Charodian Chol, Chakabudo Kualamanyang, Kane Nang, Plane Okin, Tlanekin. Sugar boot, Borpan, the Tiang Chigodor will buy it. Buy it, a count, I mean a Payam Kualamanyang, Ka Bornos. A Payam Kualamanyang, Bornos, Chicken thin, this morning, Chicken Tepi. Chicken Tepi, you will go to Padiet. So we are hearing about all the rumors. Ko Kualamanyang is taking charge. Kel Kaneponang. By China cooperation in Anabe. So la jabo manulun bo maneokin. Plus, over the ship of your stop me take a problem when you are fat ever commander. Can I ranking commanders? Nika sector commanders and work out win. Ulu Kumageli you would. You was a young state. That we wait. Leave Kono and them you go to the Tomo. Benyan Korishim and Yenim. I will be a pet of these people. Can they told the Yaro Dolong Wabato? But Teddy. I just call Largo and this is the last core. Largo last core, as we are confident, go Necon, they are ready for everything. Maybe to a great quorum. The same like Ken, they are trying to be ready. One can go and get ready. Kelman Land Konomoko, she did Kendial, she wanted our quorum. Go about labor can take. So Liamne Condial, Tega, as our people look on the Gonanan, the J Condial Kawa. Kariamo, Batara Koromatin. Ramishi Genomo, Bane Guaco and Michigandia, Georgian Onomo. Uno Gekeno. Taban, Adwal, Tadware. Chade the corner Taro Cor, she got kin the corner to go prawn line. So that is the reason. Chaga got kin the corner Taro Cor. Tin Chajawanyam, like a Baga Juj. And this is a final kick. One can go, this is a final. We are going to Kalas, Chukumadian Chakolap. Check upon a Brigadier General ni Mariel Galoak, go and a core. Menarodian long and wild like a cat. So Muluru Median took the enemy, that mean Benedum one. Because suffer, kake. Mitake one on time. A message me clear, kakane Congo, agent coroner, agent the last core. Mabaga Jojo, and it will self a care. Come self a care, then they will decide where to go. Go Cherbala learn a Congo and Jogomacaliu get the door. Jogo me mala jogdi na moke liu get dwor ko are element mulong ro ko hotel jago no ko bargazal jago no ko Equatoria no wera ber jago no ko makal ai mi jago no ko jongle jenen ko no mona tet tel dam na jor mo ngur jor no ndak de dam no mo again the last core. And as we say we are confident ne kon to ko confident we di Ajano kure lar wuro ela pan Major General I mean Brigadier General ni Mariel Galoak ko wona ne bunarana bana tenu bana monitor je enta anda en brodalat ko kota no content. So in summary we talk about padding I call take a pocket of Sspdf. Link on a nishang. Oh, Tagador, we all padding. Tagador, we all puntorok. Capanyang. Buddha Garmi all bull Makui. Plus some other commanders, Malaysia, to the Kelly. So, Kashikil, but our water Kelly, she mannequin. She not a thing in India, Quaga feast. Go Nara enough. Agabarayinak, Alorayinak, Quasaranda. So they insist up to today morning. And what I you might. Machaga you and my Jaga Juj. Chakan the 3 areas that take a Tilja control as well my with damage. Medit. Milanga Kamedan or our audience. so mo no ta area o padding area o panyang area o pultoro kan diala to kullu ya mare yelo chiro lo ya la pri alas yete element of Sspdf yare lo so mo no the results of Korea attack ka pajude I mean ka padding wale based on information je kon ka movement ka spela mayo but to ba lat manu te commissioner me yakop would not is not any longer moving. So no and the results of all this information the content be joy ke jong state today banakali formally ka is spokesperson of the moment go be confit with the last to Korea verify can to Korea lot but in general janta yagala dia ko area of Duk area of Uror area of Ayut the situation in yagalat ko Korea lat pan ka Uror shala kormatot and the real core is today morning mukure la robane war a man tiang ko chetedi and kormi yo korm mere oda shwela on and chiguut kan dial kan jang council of elder ko korme ye kien je chop tanga je kan won is the last core and if michigo na joj because succeed come wa ga joj that is the last attempt kake man ba on juba baba jag ba so no mere oda man di odien shwela o shien korandan en chiro lat ka padding cha ka joirar kan adu no finally re lo ko la clean cha pel million ngora la Sspdf element mi record mu dong de le jok ko na me ja tenen so ko